Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how you can cancel your AutoDS subscription. This process is quick and easy, so be sure to follow along using the AutoDS link provided in the description below to avoid missing any key steps. To cancel your AutoDS subscription first, head over to the AutoDS website and ensure that you are logged in. From there, go to the bottom left corner and click the Settings button. This will take you to the Supplier Settings tab in your settings. Next, navigate until you see the option at the top that says Account and Billing. Click on that. You'll now be able to view your account details, such as your email and payment method. To cancel the subscription, scroll to the bottom right corner where you'll see a button labeled Cancel Account. Go ahead and click that. It will then ask for the reason you're leaving. Choose whether you want to pause your account or cancel it. They might ask you some more questions and could even offer a discount to keep your subscription. However, if you still wish to cancel, just keep clicking Next until your subscription is successfully cancelled. That's exactly how you can cancel your AutoDS subscription. Don't forget to follow along using the AutoDS link provided in the description below.